Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to sync with Zwift automatically in Strava. So I just want you to open up your browser or favorite browser, and after that I want to head over into the search bar and type Zwift.com. Alright, so once you type that, you will be directly forwarded into that window. So it's the website of Zwift. But right here, I already have an account, so I have that orange page for you. You will, if you don't have an account, of course, you will have to create one to be signed in. And after that, of course, you will be on this page. Alright, so once you are here, what I want to do, I want to go into accounts right here on the top right. So just click on accounts, and after that, I want you to go into your connections. Right, so as you can see right here, even you can get the access into the membership, referrals, and activations. Sorry, also. Even you can edit your profile just from here, this informations as a bonus. Alright, so let's get into the connections. So once you click on connections, you will be able to connect to connect your Zwift into too many things like apps or even watches or yeah. So for this video, we will just show you how to connect or to sync it with Strava. So as you can see, Strava is the first option right here. You will have to go into connect. It will be right here. Yeah, as you can see, I already connected my Strava to Zwift, so I have the disconnect option right here. You will have connect option, so you just need to head over and click on connect. So after that, either you will have a message on your Strava app. You need to go to your Strava app on your mobile phone, and then you need to confirm that it's your Zwift, or it will be synced automatically without any problem. Anyways, that's it. This is how to sync with Zwift automatically and Strava, and as you can see, it's very simple. It's just you need to have an account in both in Zwift and also in Strava to sync Zwift with your Strava. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.